A deli has 10 pounds of turkey and 7 pounds of cheese. Each sandwich the deli makes has both turkey and cheese. For each turkey and cheese sandwich, the deli uses 1/4 of a pound of turkey and 1/6 of a pound of cheese. Which phrase describes the greatest number of turkey and cheese sandwiches the deli can make and whether there is any turkey or cheese remaining? All right. So, what we're going to do is we're going to figure this out turkey first, and then we'll deal with the cheese. Now, in order to find out how many sandwiches can be made out of turkey, you have 10 pounds of it, and each sandwich is 1/4 of a pound. So you're going to divide 10 divided by 1/4. Now, if you're like, oh, fractions, I don't like fractions, that's okay. What we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this as 10 over 1. And then we're going to do keep, change, flip. So keep the 10, change u to a times, and flip u to 4 over 1. Now you can multiply straight across the numerator to get 40 actually, and straight across the denominator to get 1. Now, 40 over 1 is the same as 40, so you can make 40 turkey sandwiches. Now we're going to do the same exact thing for cheese. Cheese is 7, so 7 divided by, and you're going to use 1/6 of a pound, so 7 divided by 1/6. Turn 7 into 7 over 1, and you're going to multiply, because it's keep, change, flip 6 over 1. This becomes 42, because 7 times 6 is 42, over 1. So you could do 42 with the cheese. Now here's the thing. We need to do the maximum amount. All right? So if I'm like saying, oh, let's make 42 sandwiches, you can't. You can only make 40. So the maximum amount of sandwiches that you can make is going to be 40 sandwiches total. Now, if you make 40 total sandwiches, you're going to have, let me see, 42 minus 42 cheese remaining. So the answer is going to be A, because the maximum amount of sandwiches that we can make is 40 with some cheese remaining.